This is how to withdraw in Coin App. This video is my easy Coin App payment proof. It is my #1 top recommended trusted app to mine cryptos while you move around, jogging, playing games and watching videos and ads on your phone or tablet. And you will also make money while you do nothing with this app. Just leave it running in the background of your phone. This app will accept people worldwide. You can see here my first cash out, which is over $6 via CoinBase. This is my third withdrawal, that is over $9. Do you want to know what happened to my second withdrawal? Continue to watch this video. I already cashed out over $22 with this free app. That is almost 20,000 Nigerian naira. This app is free and legit. Never invest the money you are not ready to lose. This video is not an investment advice because investment in cryptos is very risky. Do me one big favor. Please like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Towards the end of this video, I will later show you how to use this app to your advantage. You will also learn different payment options that will help you cash out with ease. I will also be introducing to you other similar apps that you can download and start mining cryptos for free. But first, let me take you through how I exchange this free crypto to Nigerian naira. So, let's do it. So I'll be taking you through how to set up your payment option. The first thing you need to do is to go to your wallet. Like now, I'm on my CoinBase wallet. To pick XYO crypto address where I'm sending the crypto to, I'm clicking receive. So this is the address. I will copy the address. I will now take the address back to the Coin App. You click this place to set up your payment detail, that is redeem detail. You click redeem detail. So this is where you submit both the wallet address that you've copied, you submit and save. See, request sent to your email. The request to update your Ethereum wallet address is sent to your email. So you have to go to your email to go and confirm you are the one changing your wallet address. You do the same thing for your NFT wallet. You copy and paste the same crypto address. That is where you'll be sending your NFT and the XYO crypto. You save and go back to your email to go and confirm. You ensure you copy for both the wallet address and the NFT address. Then you click done. You can see verify redeem detail update. Then you click that green button. You can see detail verification complete. This is the practical way to withdraw a Coin App. You can see the total coin that is accrued. That is over 21,000 Coin App that is already mined. To withdraw, you click this place. You click view redeem options. Redeem option will allow you to see different options to cash out your coin. You can cash out and withdraw to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and different other gifts. But because I'm in Nigeria, I cannot use these other options. I can only withdraw via cryptos. But if you are watching me from US, Canada, and European countries, you can withdraw all these gifts that you are seeing. But in this moment, I'm going to choose XYO cryptos as the option to cash out because that's the least limit. You can cash out from 10,000 Coin App and I have over 21,000 Coin App. You can see Ethereum and Bitcoin has a lot of Coin App limit. So you select XYO and you come down to click redeem. You click redeem. You can see you have option to cash out through Coinbase and Ethereum. Ethereum will use any ERC20 wallet like Trust Wallet and other common wallet. Coinbase has a special program with this Coin App. You'll be able to withdraw and select the number of total coin you want to withdraw. You can drag that button to the threshold and exactly amount you want to withdraw. So it is not compulsory you withdraw all your coin. You can select the total amount you can withdraw in thousands. So you select Coinbase, then you click this. You see, confirm destination. So you selected Coinbase. You see your email address at Coinbase. Please verify this is your valid Coinbase email address. If it is the email address, you click yes. You are going to confirm again that is the exact amount of Coin App you want to withdraw and cash out. You click yes if you agree. You can see request submitted. The next thing you need to do now is to go back to your email. That is the email you sign up Coin App with to go and confirm that you actually want to withdraw this amount. The email has been sent for you to verify redeem request. That is to be sure sure you are actually the one that want to cash out your coin app via XYO Crypto. If you are okay, you confirm through the link that yes, the request is from you. So you click that you are okay. You see this confirmation that redeem verified complete. This is to show you that you've successfully submitted your request, and you see it will take some days to cash out. This is CoinBase email. You just received over 2,000 XYO crypto. This is the inside of CoinBase. You can see the amount in dollars. The next thing I'm going to show you now is to convert this XYO crypto to another crypto that will make it easy for me to transfer to another platform where I can collect the money in Naira because I'm from Nigeria. So the most cost-effective crypto I can convert this XYO crypto to is Litecoin. So I'm going to convert this XYO crypto to Litecoin because I'm transferring to Binance and Binance will not take XYO. So I've converted already from XYO to Litecoin. Inside Coinbase, you can see trade successfully. This is the confirmation of the exchange from XYO to Litecoin. So the next thing I need to do now is to transfer this Litecoin, which is now $9.11, to transfer it to Binance. Don't forget that I'm using Litecoin because it's cost effective for me. It's cheaper in terms of fee. Binance will not collect XYO. So you click to and you now go to Binance to pick the Litecoin address that I'm going to receive this. So this is my Binance. I will copy my Litecoin address. Ensure that you are using the same network to do this. In this case, I'm using Litecoin network to do this transfer. So you click send, you paste the Litecoin address where you are sending your crypto to. But if your exchange can conclude the transaction for you, that is where you receive the XYO crypto is the same place where you can convert to Naira or the currency in your country. You don't need to do all this. You see the amount has changed, so it depends on the rate. I'm sending this to Litecoin on Binance. It has been sent successfully. $9.14 is sent to Binance. That is the email from Coinbase informing me that I've transferred Litecoin to another wallet. You can see a confirmation email from Binance. LTC, that is Litecoin deposit successful. You can watch a full video of how to withdraw and convert your cryptos to any currency in your country. The video will come out here. You see the link in this place. The second one is another video that will take you through how to do spot to funding. You also see the video here. Don't forget to use the link below the description of this video to sign up to Binance. You are going to get a lot of gifts in dollar. Thank you. This is the amount I received from Binance to my Nigerian Naira account. Don't forget, I did a transfer from Coinbase to Binance for me to be able to do a P2P transfer to my Nigerian Naira account. If you have a good exchange that can help you do all the transaction on one spot, you don't need to do this unnecessary transfer. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be taking you through different recommended exchange that will help you perform this transaction. Thank you. I promised to let you know what happened to my second withdrawal on Coin App. I actually used Trust Wallet for that cash out, and this is my Trust Wallet app. You can see the XYO cryptos I exchanged, which is this amount, on Coin App, which I also got for free. Using Trust Wallet, you can send, you can swap, you can receive and buy more, but the fee is even more than the cryptos. It is the reason I did this video that you can watch. You see the link will come out from here. It is about best top exchange platforms. There is a great alternative to Coinbase, and they are better than Trust Wallet in terms of exchanging XYO cryptos to other coins. Watch that video and it's going to help you get your money out from Coin App, especially for Nigerians. Thank you. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. You are going to get 1,000 coins. For you to get the 1,000 coins, you click here, you click account, you click sign up. Look at it, create account. You put your email address and your password, then you submit. After you must have done that, you now come back and scroll down. You can then download any of the app according to your devices. You now know how to withdraw from Coin App. All you need to do is to download this app and start using it. A video will come out up here. It's going to take you through how to use this app step by step. The second video down here, it is how to withdraw from Binance. Ensure you watch those videos. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Also, drop your comments and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.